Hi students, I'm Puan Adelina binti Adlan, but you can call me Puan Ed. Welcome to Uni Enrol SPM Masterclass. I will be sharing you my techniques that I have used with my own students when answering the English Language 1119 paper SPM. And guess what? It works! One of the problems that I notice among students, especially when attempting paper 1, is that they are too ambitious to write. They take too long time just to write a simple introduction, whereas the introduction itself is already in the question. Therefore, that's where my 5 simple steps comes in. I will just be using only 5 logical connectors which could help the students to write a paragraph from one to another. Therefore, this technique can also be used in their continuous writing. Another problem that I have identified among students is when they were answering their paper 2 question, especially in section C, the summary question. Most students tend to leave the question empty, but with my red box technique, it could help the students get the main contents for the summary to be written. I have used this technique with my students, especially the weaker ones. Amazingly, they did very well in answering the summary questions. So students, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to enroll yourself in the Uni Enrol SPM Masterclass. I'll be sharing with you more of my techniques and show to you myself how to apply it when answering the questions. Hope to see you soon. Bye!